pilot up there that are not sold, but there's a lot there that are sold.
Yeah.
They have a lot of demos they bring up and try to get sold. They take them out and show them off for a year and then try to get rid of them. Now I'm going to hit the horn in a second just to see how loud it is.
Okay.
Yep.
Can I do it?
I do
We
it.
get them past
That's pretty loud.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Should. We don't have anything to stop it. Oh, yes, we do.
No, I heard it. Oh no, that's the brakes.
Trying to get the house up there.
Woo! John, you loved it. Oh, wait, you wasn't in there. Never mind.
Officer, anytime you want. Usually people just get in and stop.
Oh, sorry. Why didn't you get out of my way?
So hit it again right now. Yeah, so the lights have to be on.
John,
Yes.
we'll be down at the firehouse tomorrow for the festival.
You guys coming down?
Yep.
I'll be there. I have a dentist appointment at 12:15.
We'll be there later.
Yeah, we'll be there in the afternoon, probably around this time or a little bit later.
Okay, I should still be there.
Woo!
Where we sing you happy birthday, John?
Oh, yes, we can.
No, we don't need to do that anymore. That's all right.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can.
We've done that enough in my life.
No, we need to embarrass you.
Yeah.
That's not going to embarrass me.
What's your name, by the way?
I'm sorry.
What's her name?
This is Savannah.
Hi, Savannah. Casey, Brandon, Nicholas, and Brandon.
John, don't you know wife?
Not yet.
Oh.
He thinks everybody should get married.
Maybe. She's lucky.
Did she give him a look?
Oh,
I didn't
yeah.
see it.
Oh yeah, I'm
See,
surprised you
I'm over
didn't
here.
feel it.
Over here. We've all been friends for the longest time, Savannah. We went to school together. John, Brandon, and I. So, graduated together.
Yeah, just a couple years ago.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Yeah. You know, 2 years ago.
last week, right?
Last
Well, no,
week.
20 years. It was 5.
5 years ago? Okay, yeah. Very happy you got to do it.
I like the fact we have to change stuff.
What did you have before?
And it was on the steering wheel.
Oh, really?
And it was on the